So in this demonstration, we're going to showcase how a work order and network provisioning workflow can be streamlined using the new Workforce for ArcGIS app, along with the Navigator, Collector, and Operations Dashboard apps. So here we have the Workforce for ArcGIS web application currently on the screen. I am logged in as a dispatcher. We can see on the left-hand side all of our current work orders and assignments and the status of them. On the right-hand side, we can see a current map of where our outside plant field technicians are and where the work orders are and their status symbolized accordingly. So now I'd like to go ahead and create a new assignment. So in this case, we have a new customer that has requested services for install. So I'd like to go ahead and choose the assignment type for new install. Choose the location on the map, choose who I'd like to assign this work order to, a priority, an install date, give it a work order ID, and any type of description or other notes. Now I'm going to go ahead and create the assignment, and the work order is automatically assigned to Tyler West out in the field. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up Workforce for ArcGIS on a tablet and show you what it looks like for Tyler West out in the field. So now I have Workforce open on our tablet. We can see that I'm currently logged in as Tyler West, one of our outside plant field technicians. We can see here all of the completed work orders that Tyler West has completed. Since I've just completed an install, I'd like to go ahead and see what work orders I still have to do. I can see on the map that there is a new work order around the corner from me. So I'm going to go ahead and get directions from my current location to this new customer site. Workforce for ArcGIS automatically opens up Navigator for ArcGIS and gives me turn-by-turn directions to the customer location.
Go north on South 12th Street toward Easter Avenue. Destination in 830 feet. Destination in 610 feet. Destination in 300 feet. You have arrived at 906 Delaware Avenue, Fort Pierce, Florida, 34950.
So now that I've arrived at the customer site, I can start this work order. While on site for this install, I noticed that there are some issues with our current outside plant location on the map. So I'm going to go ahead and collect at this location and create a map note to let our engineers back in the office know that a location of an asset is in the wrong location on the map. So I'm going to choose Asset Location Update, select the area of interest on the map, enter in some notes, take a photo of the actual location of the asset, and then submit this map note back to the back office. So now that I've completed my install, I can go ahead and finish this work order and let the dispatcher back in the office know that I've completed this install. So now I've just brought up Operations Dashboard for the dispatcher back in the office to be able to track current work orders. So here we have the map of our current outside plant field technicians along with all of the work orders. On the left-hand side, we have some widgets and some charts summarizing information. We can see how many total assignments there are, the status of work orders, the work order type, as well as we can look at have we met our install window. So I can get a breakdown of which of the work orders or new installs we met for our window, get a list of the ones that we haven't met, as well as taking a look at our current worker status. So as we just saw, with Workforce for ArcGIS, dispatchers can quickly assign work orders to field operations out in the field. Field technicians can quickly get access to their work orders, navigate to them, collect data, and submit that information back to the office. And then someone back in the office can track the status of open work orders and other information being collected out in the field. In this case, streamlining the work order and network provisioning process for a service provider.